We're going to select Binance here, this one. So I'm going to do the API. It's going to open up. So we are going to go to our Binance account to minimize our screens. And there we go on Binance. Now going to tap on more. So you're going to tap on more and then scroll down to API management. Scroll down to API management. Okay, so I'm going to tap on create API, then tap on next. Then I write in the word ROYALQ. Then we tap next. So when tap next, we need now to verify. Okay, so we move these puzzles, touch this slide, and then you move it this side. Your goal is to fit it there. Oh, there. So there we are doing the API. So now we get code on our email, get code on our phone number, and also put in the Google Authenticator. This is my personal security, all right? Copy the code, then transfer this code to the email verification. Please make sure you don't put the wrong code. And I'm gonna go to the messages and copy also the code for the messages. Okay, then I'm going to go to the Google Authenticator. If you don't have it, no need to worry. Please don't use it if you don't know how to use it. You might get issues. You learn. Paste, confirm. So I've created my API, ladies and gentlemen, and there we go. So the first step after creating the API is to come here and tap on edit. After tapping on edit, come down here to this arrow. Tap on that arrow, then scroll down to the bottom and tap on restricted access to trusted APIs only. Right? Tap on it. Now copy the secret key. You long press and copy the secret key, then come back to ROYALQ, paste in the secret key. Then this is important. After pasting in the secret key, come to this area here, copy this code, then come and transfer this code down here to restricted access to trusted APIs only. Confirm. When you confirm, boxes will open up. The box that will open up is here, which says enable spot and margin trading. It's the only box you tick. These other things, enable symbol whitelist, don't use it. Just tick enable spot and margin trading. So when you tick enable spot and margin trading, what next? Then copy the API key, then come and paste the API key. Then after pasting the API key, go back to your Binance, save what you had edited. So I'm gonna put in my authenticator here. So I'll go to my authenticator. Okay, others you can use a phone. Okay, all right. So I finished to create my API. Then I'm going to go to my ROYALQ. Tick. Come to ROYALQ. Tick here. Then you send code to go to your email. So go to my Proton mail. Then it is 327996. Okay, 327996. Okay, if I'm right, I'll tap binding, and I have successfully finished.